Alright guys, this is not the Apple iPhone 10, this is not even the Asus Zenfone 5. This is in fact another smartphone with a notch on top. This is the Ulefone T2 Pro. Thinnest bezels I've seen on a smartphone yet. There's that familiar looking notch on top, basically running almost stock Android. Dual rear cameras, and as far as the specs are concerned, you get a Helio P70 octa-core processor mated to 8 gigs of RAM and 128 GB storage. That is a large 6.7-inch FHD Plus display with 19:9 aspect ratio. Now this is a working prototype, but this phone is supposed to come with an in-cell fingerprint sensor, 5000 mAh battery. There's a 16 megapixel camera up front, at the rear 21 megapixel and 13 megapixel sensors. So very powerful specs, and the design is quite interesting, of course. So this, guys, is the Ulefone T2 Pro, a prototype unit we checked out at MWC. This comes from China, but we don't know when it's going to launch in India, if at all. Thanks for watching.